Namaste, hello and warm greetings to everyone in the world, from Asia to Africa, from Americas to Europe, from the Middle East to Oceania and everywhere in between. My name is Nilesh Mehta and I'm the founder and CEO of NGenious Solutions. As we step into the year 2025, we recognize that we are now more connected than ever. While this brings us unprecedented opportunities, it also brings us new challenges. At NGenious Solutions, we work together with our customers to harness technologies from AI to cloud, supply chain to automation and operations management to help resolve these challenges and help us all build a better future for all of us to come. As with all great companies, the real magic is not in the technology, the people that work with it. Our real assets are our team members, and we foster a customer-centric approach, along with creativity, ownership, and a dedication to success. We truly understand that the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little bit of extra. And that quality is not just an act, it is a habit, it is a way of living. We are also thankful for having some amazing customers to work with that want to build smart solutions and bring real change in this world, especially in the areas of healthcare, pharmaceutical, and manufacturing. We work together with them to bring this vision into realities by embracing bold ideas and next-gen technologies. To our customers, partners, and our team members, let's be fearless. Together, we can drive innovation and excellence in every project we undertake. Happy New Year! Let's go ahead and build a future that we can all celebrate together, side by side.